Hello and welcome to Thailand Travel Slideshow. In this clip, we take you to Koh Kradan, a paradise island in the south of Thailand. Koh Kradan's main beach, Paradise Beach, was voted most beautiful beach in the world in 2023. You travel to Koh Kradan by speedboat, which is a nice experience in itself already. Welcome to Koh Kradan. Put your suitcases on the local transport, go to your bungalow on Paradise Beach and relax. Swim, snorkel, work on your tan, walk the beach, and make that one picture postcard shot that everybody wants to have. And you'll meet some of the local wildlife, especially when you walk the small forest of the island, which is only 4 kilometers long and 500 meters wide. From Paradise Beach, it's a 15 minutes walk through the forest to our favorite beach of Koh Kradan. This is Sunset Beach. It doesn't get more beautiful than this. And believe it or not, several times we actually had Sunset Beach all to ourselves. Until this little guy showed up, but he was a great addition to our paradise feel. It's time to leave Koh Kradan, one of the most beautiful islands in Thailand. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation on Koh Kradan. Thanks for watching Thailand Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channel, Asia Travel Slideshow, and our YouTube channel, World Travel Slideshow. Thank you.